A flat and tight stomach isn't just about looking good in the mirror. It's the foundation of a stronger, healthier body. Most people think they need to do dozens of exercises or follow painful diets to lose belly fat. But the truth is, the right single core-based movement can activate more muscles than hundreds of crunches. This one exercise is so effective because it works deep abdominal stabilizers, not just the outer muscles you can see. These are the muscles responsible for pulling your stomach inward, giving that tight, toned appearance instead of a bloated or pushed-out belly. Unlike traditional ab exercises that only work surface-level muscles, this move targets your transverse abdominis, obliques, and even improves posture and digestion, reducing the look of belly fat even before fat loss fully begins. The best part? You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or extreme diet, just body weight and consistency for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Most people struggle not because the exercise is hard, but because they don't know which movement recruits the right muscles efficiently. This one exercise is proven by athletes, physical therapists, and even Hollywood trainers because it engages multiple muscles at once, ignites your metabolic burn, improves your waist compression, and even activates your pelvic floor for total midsection tightening. Once you master it correctly, you'll feel your core switching on instantly, no guessing, no wasted effort, just pure visible transformation. The biggest reason most ab exercises fail is because people only focus on the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscle, without understanding that a flat belly comes from pulling the waist inward, not just pushing muscles outward. This one exercise, which we will reveal shortly, is used in Pilates, calisthenics, yoga, physiotherapy, and elite athlete training, all for one reason. It attacks the deep core. Instead of moving fast or doing high reps, it requires control, breathing, and full muscle activation. That's why even beginners can see results faster than those who go to the gym and do 200 crunches a day. This movement helps reduce lower belly pouch, tightens the obliques for a V-shape effect, and naturally shrinks the waistline by improving the muscle tension around your core. And because it supports the spine and improves posture, it makes your stomach look flatter even while standing or sitting. Studies prove that deep core activation burns 2-3x more calories post-workout due to the metabolic afterburn effect. This means your body continues burning fat even while resting. Unlike traditional workouts that stress the neck or back, this technique is completely joint-safe, making it suitable for teens, adults, seniors, and even post-pregnancy mothers, once medically cleared. In short, it's not about doing more. It's about doing the right strategic movement that trains your entire abdominal cylinder at once. Imagine training your abs while also improving digestion, reducing bloat, and supporting your spine. That's the power of this one movement. When deeply activated, the transverse abdominis acts like a natural corset, pulling the belly inward, not outward. That's exactly why this technique delivers quick visual slimming results, even before full fat loss happens. It works extremely well, especially for those who suffer from lower pooch fat, weak core, back stiffness, or sagging belly post-weight gain. The secret is in controlled breathing, something most people ignore. During this exercise, you inhale to expand the ribs, not the belly, and then exhale while drawing the navel inward toward the spine, tightening the entire abdominal wall like a vacuum. This forces the body into neutral core compression mode, triggering muscle tightening and calorie burning simultaneously. It's the same technique boxers use for core brace power and Pilates practitioners use for tiny waist sculpting. Over time, this move not only flattens the stomach visibly, but also improves balance, stability, and even walking posture. Your clothes start fitting better, waistline reduces without extreme dieting, and your body begins naturally correcting posture that causes a bloated stomach appearance. Most importantly, this movement doesn't require special surroundings. It can be done on the floor, on a bed, or even standing, making it the most practical exercise for busy lifestyles in today's world. So what exactly is this exercise? It's called the stomach vacuum, a powerful core activation method once used by old-school bodybuilders like Arnold Schwarzenegger to achieve a paper-flat waist, even while bulking. But unlike most gym workouts, this isn't about dynamic movement. It's about controlled deep breathing and abdominal contraction. Here's how it works. You start by relaxing completely, and then exhaling all air from the lungs. Once empty, you actively pull your lower belly inward and upward, holding that tension without breathing in, like trying to make your stomach disappear. You hold this for 10 to 20 seconds, release, breathe normally, and repeat 5 to 7 rounds. Beginners can start while lying down, and progress to standing or kneeling as their control improves. Within just a few days, you'll feel your core switch on like never before. No strain, no crunching, no back pain. This exercise is extremely low impact, but extremely high efficiency. It not only shrinks your waistline appearance fast, but it rewires your core muscles to stay tight throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Imagine burning belly fat and improving posture while just sitting at your desk or walking. That's exactly what vacuum training enables your body to do subconsciously over time. It's the missing secret most people have never been taught to achieve maximum results. This one exercise should be done daily, preferably on an empty stomach, such as in the morning before breakfast or before sleep at night. Just 5 to 7 minutes of vacuum holds is enough. Consistency beats intensity here. In just 7 days, most people report a visibly flatter waist, reduced lower belly roundness, and even better internal posture, making the stomach naturally stay pulled in instead of hanging outward. After 21 days, this becomes muscle memory. Your abs stay slightly activated throughout the entire day, even while sitting, walking, or driving. This is what makes it more powerful than typical workouts. Important: do not hold your breath too aggressively. Control is everything. Your neck and shoulders must stay relaxed. Only the lower belly must draw inward like a reverse balloon deflate. Over time, you can progress to more advanced versions like vacuum and cat-cow, standing wall hold, or side oblique vacuum, which tighten the entire 360 degrees core, giving a slimmer waist from all angles. And remember, this alone won't require dieting or sweating, but pairing it with clean hydration, reduced sugar, and light walking can double your results. This is the simplest, most time-efficient core sculpting formula for real humans with real schedules. If you're tired of complicated gym routines and still seeing no results, try this one exercise daily for just 1 week and watch your stomach start pulling inward naturally. Should I send you the exact step-by-step visual guide and beginner to advanced progression next? Comment yes, and I'll send the full training breakdown instantly.